guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is at Crypto Mining 2025. So there's a new update on the Athene network that has just been released about an hour ago, and I just want to take you guys through the update. So okay, basically here's the update. Okay, let me confirm it on Twitter also. So yeah, when you open Twitter and head on to the Athene main channel, you'll find that there's a pinned post, and you can see it's just 1 hour ago. And yeah, here's the new update. So basically the update is saying, let me open the thread. So okay, here it is. It's saying Athene Network has officially migrated to BSC BEP20. So basically what this means, it means that Athene has now officially switched its network from its initial network which it was on to this new network which is BEP20. What does this mean to Athene users? Then they said ERC deposit are still accepted, but all withdrawals will be processed as BEP20 BSC tokens. So yeah, they're also saying that now, right now you can still deposit using ERC20. You know, previously Athene was using ERC20 network, but now it has decided to officially switch to BEP20. But they've said you can still deposit using ERC20 network, but withdrawals are only accepted using BEP20 BSC token. So yeah, let's go through this update bit by bit on the main Telegram page. And you can see there's a note here. They're saying this will start on August 5th, 2025. All ATN withdrawals will be via Binance Smart Chain network. So yeah, it's on this date that all of these changes will go live, the BEP20 network and the withdrawals. So let's check on the main update, or on the whole update on the Telegram community page. So yeah, here's the Telegram community page, and yeah, here's the update. You can see on this page it's a bit informed. So yeah, okay, at update 1, or the first bullet, Athene network migrates to Binance Smart Chain. That is BEP20. Of course, we all know this network, BEP20. It's common in the crypto world. Then okay, new infrastructure, the new platform. We have the link to the new platform. The staking platform will serve as the main staking and bridging hub for ATN. So basically Athene has also updated this staking platform. So I also did a video on how to stake, and this is the platform. So yeah, you'll just click on this link, which I'll provide it on the description of my video. Click on it. So yeah, just update, input your logins. You can see this is my account. Then yeah, you can proceed to the way of staking as I had initially showed you, but they have said that this is their new platform, so you need to use this. And how you access this is via this link, which I'll provide it on the description of the video. Then yeah, let's move on. Deposit supports both ERC20 and Binance Smart Chain network, so BSC. So this means that you can still deposit through the ERC20 network, and also you can still deposit using the BSC network, but withdrawals are only being supported using the BSC, that is BEP20 network. Make sure you note that you can only deposit using ERC20 and BSC, but you can only withdraw using BSC BEP20. And the reason for that, they're saying that this will lower gas fees, and this will also enhance faster transaction and DeFi friendly on BSC. Yeah, and all know that BSC is currently among the top best networks. So yeah, I think for this bit we are done. We have the new platform and the deposit and withdrawals that are only being supported with ERC20 and BEP20 and lower gas fee and blah blah. Then the other thing, they've also provided a new smart contract. You can see here's the contract. You can just check on it. So yeah, if you don't know how to add this contract or how to get this contract, I'll do a video on how to add this new contract address to your MetaMask wallet on the BSC network. So yeah, this is the new contract address, so you'll just copy it. If you know how to add, you can just proceed to add it on your MetaMask, or if you don't know, I'll still do a video on how to do that, so don't worry. Then entire ecosystem migrates to BSC. The Athene app now only supports transfers and withdrawals via Binance Smart Chain. So that's just a repetition of what we had said earlier, that the entire ecosystem of Athene has integrated to Binance Smart Chain network, the new network. Then on the P2P part section, here it is, and they're saying P2P Athene.network withdrawals available exclusively through Binance Smart Chain network. So this means that P2P Athene network has shifted automatically to BSC, the Binance Smart Chain network, the new network. And here's Athene P2P. So, and when you just open the Athene P2P, the first prompt is this about the BSC, the new home, the new network. And you can see here's the first prompt when you open the Athene P2P. So yeah, let's see on the deposit or withdrawals. Let's click on deposit, and you can see it has been integrated to the new network, which is Binance Smart Chain BEP20. So that means in P2P deposits are only through Binance Smart Chain network, because that's what they have stated here. And they have also said that Athene withdrawals will be available exclusively through BSC, and ERC20 withdrawals are no longer supported, now a legacy token only. And that's very correct, because when you check on the Athene P2P, the deposit, you can see the network that is being automatically selected for you, it's the Binance Smart Chain. So this is the part for deposit. Although they have also said you can still deposit using this. So depositing allows ERC20 and BEP20 depositing. So all of these have been allowed for depositing. So we don't know when date 5 reaches what will happen, but for now you can still deposit using these networks. But for the part of withdrawals, it's only the new network, the BSC. You can see only transfer within BNB Smart Chain network. You're not even being given an option for selecting that. This network that has been selected for you, and you're being given the red notice, only transfer within the BNB Smart Chain network. So yeah, that's bit about the Athene P2P. Then on the third point, exchanges notified, we have MEXC and BingX. Then what they have been notified about, requested to set ATN or BEC as default. Asked, okay, they've been told to switch ATN to the BSC network to be its default. When you just open ATN, the default network is BSC. So I don't know if they have updated it, but let's see if it's updated. So let's open our MEXC app, then head on to assets. Sorry for that, let me just log in very quick. It's okay, head on to assets there, then we search for ATN, search for ATM, then let's see the network. Sorry, let's first see depositing, the types of networks that have been supported. So apparently it's still on MEXC, it's still ERC. They haven't added BSC. So but you have seen they have said they have notified them. So let's check on withdrawals. Let's try withdraw. Apparently on withdrawals they have added it as the default, because you can see it's on the first one. So the first to appear is BSC, and it's zero fees. It's totally free to transfer Athene from using the BSC from MEXC to any other platform you want to transfer. So yeah, MEXC has updated the network. So yeah, some apps have already started changing to BSC as default. Then requested set okay, asked to add ATN USDT BSC Binance Smart Chain trading pair. So they have been asked also to add ATN stroke USDT trading pair on BSC network. Then proposed hosting on AMA to announce the chain migration. So yep, they've been proposed to host AMA to announce the chain migration from its initial chain to the new chain, which is BSC Binance Smart Chain network. Then market making and price strategy, collaborating with MM to boost ATN liquidity on Binance Smart Chain, launching airdrop and bounty campaigns. Goal: get ATN listed on OKX by end of 2025. So yeah, that's the only important thing I've seen there so far. Getting ATN listed on OKX by end of 2025, because one thing when the ATN lists on big exchanges, we all know what's going to happen. It's going to skyrocket. Then okay, deployment time. So yep, the BSC contract completed and has been deployed. So bridge deployed plus staking site updated. So the staking site I've already shown you above there. It has been updated and the bridge has been deployed. ERC has been disabled. So the network was initially ERC20, but now it has been disabled. Ecosystem has now synced to Binance Smart Chain network. Notifications have been sent to MEXC, being CMC updated initiated. You've also seen that on MEXC they have already switched. They've already updated their network. Okay, and these others I don't know if they have done so, but you can also check on your side. So marketing push begins. OKX deal underway. So apparently I think they are handling the deal of listing ATN on OKX. Then Q4 2025 ATN to be listed on OKX. So basically Q4 means the third quarter of the year. So that means that will be October, November and December. That is when ATN might be listed on OKX. Note, starting August 5th, 2025, all ATN withdrawals will be via Binance Smart Chain BSC, and ARC deposit are still accepted, but all withdrawals will be processed as BEP20 BSC token. So starting August, it's going to implement fully now that they have switched to the other network, the BSC. That means that withdrawals will be only through Binance Smart Chain. So yeah, get ready with that. So if you're mining or if you're holding ATN or if you are participating in ATN, make sure you know that they've now switched to the new network and you have updated all that is required to update it. And you can also see after updating their network, the coin is a bit going up from a very long low. But yeah, basically that's it. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, make sure you do so that you don't miss some of these updates. Until next time, adios.